I'm Michelle Rook. You may have heard the hype about natural or organically produced meat products, but are they that different from conventionally produced meat?
Natural is basically a marketing issue.
He says anyone can label a product as natural, but that doesn't mean it's nutritionally any better.
I could use implants, hormones, antibiotics, do everything under the sun and still call it natural because there are no guidelines.
Organic meat is produced under strict USDA standards and must come from cattle on organic pasture. However, it often costs much more than conventionally grown meat.
It could be anywhere from 10% to 100% premium. It really depends on the item.
That's because they don't have the economies of scale that conventional production does.
We pay more for transportation to consolidate it all together, as well as we have more labor.
Organic is a choice some consumers are willing to pay more for, but the debate rages on about whether it can sustain the growing population. This message is sponsored by the South Dakota Soybean Council.